Hello everyone, in this video we would like to reintroduce the work that we already finished and now upgrade in the Nissan Maxima 2004 model. Actually this one is the generation 2004 to 2009. Now this system is fully compatible and running with the air conditioner control system, fully touchscreen on the screen. What it means is that the air conditioner control panel here, now if you touch it, you can actually show up the air conditioner control on the screen, full 9-inch touch screen, and then you can touch screen here to control it like this. How cool is that? Okay, so you can turn on and you can control from here. Yep. So what you see is what you can touch. Is that cool? It definitely is. So here you can touch here, you can touch here, but you can definitely touch the whole touch screen, the button to change the thing, you change the temperature. Yep. So all things like this. And that is about the air conditioner control, climate control in a Nissan Maxima 2004 to 2009 generation. So you definitely now can control the whole panel over here and the whole 9-inch touchscreen for the climate control. That's the best that we actually upgrade for the car, and at the same time we actually do the upgrade for the steering wheel control modules, because the car come with no steering wheel control ever before. So currently it is coming with this steering wheel control that 10 button and 10 function over here, works very well, very nice. Volume, music changing, and phone answer, and some other function. So far that's really the best update that we complete and finish in the Nissan Maxima today. And if you have the same car, you know that in the generation 2004 2009 you definitely can see it would be the same looking, beautiful look, fit perfectly like factory fit, very convenient with the 2 USB custom fit by MPX Autos over here nicely, and full climate control on the touch screen. So thanks again, and if you want this steering wheel control, we definitely can add them in like this, easy to control. See you then in the next one. Thank you.